Your recovery emails are getting a 15% open rate, your retargeting ads are burning budget, and your abandonment rate is still sitting at 70%. You're not failing because you need more tactics. You're failing because your tactics are more reactive than proactive. Hi, I'm Harish from Intempt, and in this video, I'll show you how to reduce cart abandonment using a proactive system that you can build in 5 minutes that will monitor hesitation signals in real time and personalize the shopping experience that will motivate the shopper to complete their purchase. Let's get started.
Before we move on, I'll walk you through the differences between proactive and reactive cart abandonment fixes. Think of reactive fixes as an autopsy. You're waiting for the shopper to leave your store first, then send emails or pay for retargeting ads to chase a customer who has already moved on. As you can tell, this approach is expensive, noisy, and it relies on a see you later goal that rarely catches their attention once they've closed the tab. Whereas the proactive approach is more like having a real-time shopkeeper on your site. Instead of waiting for the exit, you're monitoring hesitation in real time, like a long pause on the cart page or a sudden move towards the exit button. You're answering the customer's questions and removing friction while their credit card is still in their hand, turning a potential bounce into a completed purchase before they leave. Now let's build this proactive system. This proactive system contains a personalization with 4 different variants built inside Intempt, and each one will trigger for a specific segment of shoppers when they meet a specific hesitation criteria. First, we have the first-time buyer confidence builder. New visitors often leave due to a lack of trust. Addressing this risk directly will help you secure the conversion. Basically, if a first-time buyer is hesitating to purchase the product because they are anxious about the return policy or the shipping information, we can show a custom message that will resolve this anxiety in real time within the cart page. To implement this, first connect your store with Intempt from the Integrations tab and make sure to add a JavaScript snippet into the head section of your website. Then head over to Users and create a segment for anxious buyers. Set the conditions as follows. View page has been performed greater than or equal to 2 times in the last 30 days. Then click on the branch icon to add another condition. Provide the URL of your shipping and return policy page. And the product order has not been performed at least once since the date from which you want to track the new buyers. Then click Create. Now, whenever a new buyer checks out the shipping and return policy page more than twice, they will come into this segment of users. Next, head over to Experiences and create a personalization. Provide the cart page URL and make sure to set the toggle to personalization. Below, you'll find something called variants, which are simply different versions of the same landing page. Rename the variant 1 as first-time anxious buyers or the message you want to personalize so that you can easily understand what that variant is about. Then select Configure and choose the segment we just created for anxious buyers. Then click on Edit, which will open the visual editor where you can pretty much edit the entire cart page without having to code or create new ones from scratch. For this variant, we are going to show the message, Shop with a peace of mind, free 30-day returns, right above the checkout button. So let's double click on the text and paste our message. And that's it. In a few minutes, we've created a personalization that will show this message in real time to anyone who is anxious about the shipping and return policy. You can customize the cart page even more to overcome the anxiety of first-time buyers. For the second variant, we'll target VIP customers. The goal is to provide high-touch support for your most valuable customers when they hit a roadblock at the checkout. Here, the hesitation signal is when a champion segment customer stalls on the checkout page for more than 45 seconds. To implement this, go to Agents and use the Lifecycle agent to create an RFM segment. This segment will categorize the customers into regulars and champions based on recency, frequency, and monetization. Then in the cart personalization, create a new variant. This time, simply choose the RFM segment we just created. Then edit the variant, identify any friction that a high-value customer might face, and personalize the cart page to overcome them. For example, we can offer various payment methods, including credit cards and digital wallets, to make sure they complete the purchase. Once done, click Publish and start the experience. For the third variant, we'll target the indecisive shoppers. The goal is to help stuck shoppers find the right product by pivoting their attention during product-level doubt. Here, the hesitation signal is when a user has more than 10 minutes of session duration and they have removed the products multiple times in the current session. To implement this, head over to Segments and create a new segment called Indecisive Shoppers. Set the conditions as follows. Session duration is greater than 600 seconds and product remove count is greater than 2.
then click Create. Then in the cart page personalization, create a new variant and choose the indecisive shopper segment we just created. Click on Edit the variant, then add a simple message such as "Don't worry, you can return this anytime in the next 30 days." And also add a carousel block using the popular alternatives recommendation feed. Once done, click Publish and save. Now, whenever a shopper hesitates by repeatedly adding and removing items, the page will update in real time with messages to overcome their hesitation and provide better options they might like. For the fourth variant, we'll target the deal seeker. The goal is to satisfy price-sensitive shoppers with bundles instead of site-wide sales or account creation. Here, the hesitation signal is when a low qualification visitor has viewed the same product more than 3 times but hasn't added it to the cart yet. This means they are most likely looking for discounts on similar products. To implement this, create a deal seeker segment with the following conditions: as product views on the same item is greater than 3 and add to cart has not been performed. Create a new product category page personalization and create a new variant targeting this deal seeker segment. Edit the variant and add a bundle and save product recommendation block with a similar alternatives feed featuring products with discounts to help them complete their purchase. Then click Publish and save. Now, price-sensitive repeat viewers get targeted with bundle incentives in real time. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've created a powerful and proactive personalization system that will help you reduce cart abandonment without needing 5+ tools and endless follow-ups that have poor click-through rates. If you want to build this yourself, feel free to check out Intempt.